everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you a new kit from CraftyCity.com, and I received this kit for my new design team project that I'm going to make, and I'm going to use this kit. Is called Happy Place, and it's using the papers by Mintai, and I'm going to show you what comes with it. It comes with this two packages of flowers, and these coordinate very well to this kit. Then this is seam binding in two colors. Then right here, this resin bench and two tassels. Then right here, this is a bicycle die, and it comes with this beautiful chipboard piece that says capture the moment. And this one coordinates with this one because it has cameras, and I'm going to show you a sneak peek of the paper. So yeah, I'm so excited to make my new project using this kit. So super beautiful. Look, this one right here is the cover, and this is a bonus sheet because you get embellishments to fuzzy cut and put on your mini album or use it for anything. See, then right here, these are the beautiful images from the papers. As you can see, it has kind of retro designs, and here's the camera, another camera here, roller skates. See, and so super beautiful. Look, this is like a window, and right here there is a bench. See, so all the embellishments coordinate very well with this paper. And look, it has a hammock, and here at the bottom it has a bicycle. So I'm in love with this paper. See, so I'm trying to make my designs, and I decided to make a mini album. So I'm very excited to use this kit. And you can visit CraftyCity.com and see other kits that they have. They have a lot of new kits, and all the beautiful papers. They are so very high quality. I love them. They are like cardstock, and they're double-sided. So these mint type paper are very special. I love this. See, and these are the same. It's only 6 designs, and as you can see, you get them all double. Okay, so stay tuned for my project, and don't forget to visit CraftyCity.com to see what they have new in their store. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.